This is how it look like my Polikarpov i16 after 7 days work. Really interesting. I can see the shadow of the ribs. This is because that's made from Dapron. These are plywood over here and some pine pieces. Here gonna be the battery place. I'm gonna take there the battery. The landing gear obviously retractable, and I'm waiting for the control rods. I ordered some bits from the AliExpress. As you can see, the wing gonna be detachable, so arrow, pine arrow, and for the transportation I made to removable the wings, and this is how it looks like. Probably I'm gonna buy a bigger engine for this, because this is 18 inches probably look like a bit small for this plane. Would be better something 21 inches, but I should purchase a so much bigger motor for that. This is about 50 millimeter over here, and what I plan to buy is the Dual Sky GA3000, what is about 90 millimeter here. So I'm gonna have to print out this part again, but it's not a big problem because already I know which screw places I have to print there, what I didn't know previously, so that's gonna be alright. I plan to make holes here and some tubes and artificial smoke coming out or something like that, so this is gonna be very scary. Dapron plywood and pine and 3D printed Polikarpov i16. What do you think? I have a little die cast Polikarpov, and I'm gonna do something similar, paint job on it. I mean, my wife gonna do the paint, but that's gonna be very similar, blue underneath and something camouflage green on the top. So yeah, and I make something similar canopy. This size is 180 centimeter or 6 feet, and this is gonna be about 5 kilos, what is 10 pounds.